Welcome back to Bluebird Vlogs. Today I'm going to make Oobleck. So this is how you make it. This is 2 cups of cornstarch. And then you will need, or you can get the bottle version of that. Last time I got the bottle version. So what also you will need is 1 cup of water. So I already put the flour in because it's messy.
Not flour, cornstarch.
Cornstarch. If it acts like flour. Now I'm gonna go get a cup of water. So I'm back with a cup of water. It's a cup. I checked. That's why I was gone. It's a cup. So you can. Oh, first you add what dye you want in. So I'm going to make Dirty Rose, which is 6 red, 6 red, and 2 blue.
You do have to squeeze it, don't you? Oh, there you go.
That's 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 red. Be careful. If you get new food dye, it comes out really fast. I learned that with the one I already pre-made over here. It's green.
But it looked a lot darker when you did.
Yeah, it looks
like
a lot darker,
green.
but it gets really light. So, and then 2. It's on the top if you, it's right, it's like on the side if you want to know how to make it, the colors. So, yeah, 2 blue. I got a spoon. I'm gonna use the back of it.
So it's supposed to be like a purple color or pink?
Pink. But this is how they say to make it, so. If it's purple, I'm fine with that too. It's supposed to be a dusty rose.
Oh, it's like a dark.
It's
Here, let me see the box.
It's the dusty rose. I'm gonna pour it in.
What's the bottom one there? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, it's a light purple. It's like a weird purple. Okay. Now time for the mixing part. See you guys how it's turning?
Yeah, it's gonna be like a light purple.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna make like a pink after this. Oh my gosh. Mix in. See how weird it is? It's going to be a light purple if you make that color. Well, also if you get that brand. I wasn't planning on doing a YouTube video of this, but why not? Because it's cool.
Hey, I can't see it. Here's your hand. There we go.
Cornstarch box.
So explain what it does. Like,
oh, it's like a solid and liquid.
okay. So if you touch it lightly,
I'll show
it's
you.
a liquid.
I can mix it in with my hands the rest. See, look, it's like a liquid. It lights your hands so good, but
Yeah, but if you punch it,
it doesn't do anything.
pretty solid.
And you gotta slowly grab it. And if anything gets stuck in it, if you want to make like a ton, pull it out slowly, not like fast.
Yeah, because then it's just a solid.
Yeah. And there is going to be a top layer that's still like watered.
Yeah, it looks like water, the top layer, but
It still works. See how it looks kind of like water? Oh, I actually like this color. Look at that. That's pretty. Ooh. It feels kind of weird. I don't really like the feel of cornstarch, but when I do this, I just love this. It's just water and cornstarch. And you guys don't have to dye it.
no, you can use it just white.
Yeah, you can just use a white. I like it because this is kind of the regular color people make, green, because it's like slime, but it's really nice. And you want to just to let it drip. Oh, if you think you can't wash your hands off with water, you can. You just got to use a lot of water and it comes right off. It just falls off because you use too much water.
Yeah, because it's very important to have 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, because we tried it with 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, and it was a mess.
Too liquidy.
Yeah.
So this one, if you accidentally do that, just add another cup of cornstarch.
Yeah.
It's not that big of a deal.
And you can use more. You could do like
4 cups and
4 cups of cornstarch.
And then
2 cups of water.
So you just divide it by 2.
Make a double batch.
Yeah, but in one. I'm gonna make a ton of batches. Ooh, I love this color. It actually turned out like a pink.
Yeah, kind of. It's like a light purple.
Look at it's very ugh. It's kind of sticky and messy. Be careful when you pour the cornstarch.
I would say it's messier than slime for sure. Like, it has to be in a container.
Yeah, it has to be.
Because it's liquid if it's not.
Like being constantly touched. Here, let me see if I can get a ball out.
You should put like a little toy in it and then see if you can pull it out.
Is there one over there?
Like a little one. Because it's not very deep.
But Dora! Dora! I got these from Mini Brands. I take them out of the packaging if I have a double.
Dora's going to go in. She's going to go on an
Does she fit?
Yeah, she fits mostly. Her head's big.
This is too easy. I would make it deeper, guys. Let me just use a smaller container. Yeah.
Yeah, see, she tried to pull her straight out and she's stuck.
Okay, let me just let Dora sit and have a bath. By the way, I do not like Dora. It's just a Mini Brand I got, and I took her out of the packaging because I got one before. And look, it's like a ball now. Look, it's so like, no. Thankfully, I put an old shirt on and old shorts, so I'm not going to ruin any of my actual clothes. Oh my gosh. Dora. Man. See, she's like, it's just, and you can also try just letting it drip off your hands. And if some falls on the table, don't worry about that. We just add cornstarch to it and it comes right off.
Well, and it cleans up with a wet paper towel, too.
Yeah, cornstarch does. The Oobleck, not so much. If I get some cornstarch on my hand, I just wipe it around and it picks it up. Yeah, this is Oobleck. It's like, see? You can get your anger out with this. I'm putting it on a bag, just so you know. I'm not putting it straight on the table. But if you gently do it, it's like, oh, not fun, but you gotta really. I tried to roll it in the ball. You have to be super fast. There we go. I did it. See, look.
Yeah, because then as soon as you stop, it will just melt.
That's what happens. Unspeakable did this. He had like a pool filled with it. He dropped the toilet into it and he was trying to yank it out. His hand got stuck too. Then he ran across it. You can run across it if you're...
Because if you stomp.
Or you could just run super fast. But prepared to get messy. If you make a humongous batch, I just wanted to make 3 small batches is like enough. Here, I want to show you, you gotta wash it off exactly how I do it. So I'm gonna have to show you how to wash this off. So if you have messy hands like this, you just get water, lots of water, just no soap, so it makes it worse. Just water. And then after you get this Oobleck off, you can use soap. Well, that's all it's going to be for today. I might post a new video, maybe in a week. I can maybe update you on this. It will just be added onto this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.